So I am Bhavya Sachdeva, and I'm currently working as technical writer, particularly for DevOps tools. And I really love giving talks and conferences and meeting, with different folks and do networking. So this is about me, and CodeCloud really helps me, to learn DevOps. That's why I'm able to do technical writing, particularly in DevOps.
Hey folks, my name is Ayush Sharma and I work as a CEO. So we meet as a community where we organize events around, let's say, hackathons, meetups, or companies. We have good numbers, as in 150 plus folks are there in that spot. And apart from events, I do a lot of freelancing in DevOps, technical writing, and other stuff. I'm really good in communities and that's it.
So I guess in like 2 years back, I came to know from a community that there is a platform exists for learning DevOps. So from there, I came to know about CodeCloud, and it's really fascinating that the environment it is providing. Because before CodeCloud, whatever courses I saw on Udemy, YouTube, so they are all theory based, but CodeCloud is providing practical labs. So this is one of the great advantage I would say that they give to the learners. So yeah.
So my CodeCloud journey is little different. So what I did was I joined a Twitter space wherein a few interesting tech talk were going on, and I was lucky one to ask a different question out of it, and that is when I got CodeCloud subscription for free. And I didn't really know what CodeCloud is back then, but then when I explored the platform, I think it really did add value to my learnings. It had courses which were industry ready, which had certification level of teachings in them. I was really interested. I think I have successfully completed few of the courses. Basic of Linux, everyone does that. But I have been into AWS course, which is done by Michael, if I'm not wrong. And then there are other courses by Muchad Kubernetes, CK. A really sad story. When I did clear my KCNA, only then CodeCloud came up with a KCNA course. But never mind, I managed to clear it. But yes, CodeCloud, it did really help us in uplifting our DevOps journey as a learner.
Number one, labs. Number two, CodeCloud Engineer platform. It's really cool. Like lots of challenges, like real world challenges. So these two things I really love about CodeCloud, because the labs are most important. Labs are most important part of DevOps journey. If you are not doing hands-on, you are not able to execute those things in your day-to-day activities. So that should be the must. And so these labs are very secure. So I really like.
How about you? I think CodeCloud had really put an effort in structuring their courses. So let's say if we go to Docker, it's not only Docker, it's parts of Docker. So you learn about containers. So it's maybe strengthening your basics and then moving to the advanced concepts, which helps in building the layers of a learner. Let's say if I'm learning any tool, this is how you should structure any learning. I think this is what CodeCloud has wanted. Not only Docker, it has good structuring in all the learning parts. Let it be cloud, let it be DevOps, let it be Kubernetes. I guess AI.
Yeah.
Maybe, I'm not sure if you have come up with generative AI, but I've seen you come up with blockchain courses. I haven't got time to explore them. They're really not from blockchain space. But maybe AI, generative AI, LLM, something around that.
And I am next looking to prepare for CKA, and CodeCloud is a very good platform to prepare for CKA. Yeah.
I guess one of the best platforms. Yeah, definitely. But depends on, I guess, learner to learner. I have might indulge with more of say theoretical knowledge. Cloud is more focused on knowledge.
Some folks love live learning, and some folks don't have that much of discipline that they are able to stick to the recording content. So maybe this is one that maybe then they will not prefer, but otherwise for me it's working very great.
So-
Cloud is a new era for teaching DevOps.
I think it would be hard to sum up in three words, but I guess
I'm just
new path to DevOps learning. Maybe that's it. I don't think I would be able to summarize it in this way.